Alright, Balitang Canada muna tayo mga idol. Ano ang masasabi ninyo na ngayon ay nagpahayag na si Justin Trudeau, Prime Minister siya ng Canada. So ang sabi niya ay magre-resign na daw siya. Kaya what's this? Ito ang kanyang mensahe.
I intend to resign.
Oh, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, nagdesisyon na siya ay magre-resign at maghihintay na lamang kung sino ang papalit sa kanya.
As party leader, as prime minister, after the party selects its next leader through a robust, nationwide, competitive process. Last night, I asked the president of the Liberal Party to begin that process. This country deserves a real choice in the next election, and it has become clear to me that if I'm having to fight internal battles, I cannot be the best option. That's why this morning I advised the Governor-General that we need a new session of Parliament. She has granted this request, and the House will now be prorogued until March 24.
So ayan ang pahayag ni Justin Trudeau, ang ating Prime Minister dito sa Canada. Nag-step down na po siya, so abangan natin ang susunod na kabanata.